Welcome to Corporals Corner. Today we're going to review the new and improved Grizzly from the Pathfinder Knife Shop, so stick around. Recently, the Pathfinder Knife Shop has taken their knife line to the next level. They're calling it Dirty by Design. In a nutshell, they've swapped out the handles for curly maple. They've also added a forged finish to each blade. This adds character. It also brings a uniqueness. No two blades will look the same. Now the knife that we're talking about today is called the Grizzly. Let's check it out. The Grizzly by the Pathfinder Knife Shop features the Dirty by Design forged finish. It's comprised of 1095 carbon steel, has a 3/16 90-degree spine on the back, an overall length of 10.5 inches with a blade of 6 inches, features the curly maple handles, Scandi grind, and weighs 9.4 ounces. Welcome back. This is outstanding. You have that Dirty by Design forged finish, full tang, Scandi grind, 6-inch blade. Good to go in my book. Now one thing I forgot to mention, you have your choice of 2 sheath options, traditional leather or Kydex. And like I mentioned before, the Pathfinder Knife Shop offers several other knives with that same Dirty by Design look. Thank you for your comments, views, support. Thanks for watching. Get out in the field, have some fun. I'm going to catch you next time.